In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rename a page in Coda step by step, so you can keep your documents organized and easy to navigate. Coda is a powerful all-in-one tool that blends documents, spreadsheets, and databases, and having clear descriptive page names is essential for staying productive, especially as your document grows. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to coda.io. Once you're there, sign into your Coda account using your preferred sign-in method. You can log in with your Google account, your Apple ID, or even your email address if you set up a password. If you haven't created an account yet, it's free to get started, and the sign-up process only takes a minute. Go ahead and get signed in, and we'll move on to the next step. After you've signed in, you'll land on your Coda homepage, which shows you all of your recent documents. Now locate and open the document that contains the page you want to rename. You can do this by clicking on the document's title. If you have a lot of documents, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to find it quickly. Just type in a keyword from the document name, and Coda will filter the results for you. Once you've found the right document, click to open it. Now that your document is open, take a look at the left side of your screen. That's the page navigation panel. It lists all the pages and subpages in your document, much like a table of contents. Find the page you want to edit in this panel. If your document has a lot of pages, you can scroll through the list, or you can collapse and expand sections to make things easier to spot. Once you've located the page, double-click directly on its name. When you double-click, the text will become highlighted and editable, meaning you can now change it. This is the key action. It's a double-click, not a single-click, which would just select the page and navigate to it. A single-click opens the page. A double-click opens the name for editing. With the page name now editable, go ahead and delete the existing name. You can backspace over it or highlight it and type your new name directly. This is where you want to think carefully about what you call it. Choose a clear and descriptive title that accurately reflects the page's content. For example, if this page is a project tracker, don't just call it Tracker or Untitled. Use something specific like Q4 Marketing Campaign Tracker or Client Onboarding Checklist. The more specific you are, the easier it will be for you and your collaborators to understand what each page contains. A best practice here is to think about what you'd search for if you needed to find this page later. A short descriptive title will save you time and frustration down the road. After entering the new name, you need to save your changes. Simply press the Enter key on your keyboard or click anywhere outside the text field, like on the blank area of the navigation panel or on the canvas of your document. As soon as you do that, the updated page name will appear immediately in the page navigation panel. There's no separate save button to worry about. Coda saves your changes automatically in real time, so you never have to worry about losing your work. Take a quick look at the panel to confirm the new name is showing up correctly. Now that you've renamed your page, take a moment to review your document and verify that the new page name has been updated correctly. Click on the page to open it if you haven't already, and make sure the name also appears at the top of the page canvas. If your document contains multiple pages, consider using consistent naming conventions to make navigation even easier. For instance, you might decide to use a format like Project Name Status or Department Task Type. This consistency helps anyone who opens your document quickly understand the structure and find what they need without clicking through every page. One common pitfall to avoid is using duplicate page names, especially if you have subpages under different parent sections. Duplicate names can create confusion, especially when you're linking between pages or searching for specific content. Taking the time to be unique and descriptive will pay off in the long run. Feel free to continue organizing your document by renaming other pages as needed. The process is exactly the same for every page and subpage in your document. Clear page names help you and your collaborators quickly locate the information you're looking for, and a well-organized document naturally boosts productivity and reduces frustration. I'd also recommend reviewing your page structure regularly to keep your document organized. As projects evolve and new information is added, old page names might no longer make sense. A quick monthly review of your page titles can keep your workspace tidy and intuitive. To wrap up, you've now learned how to rename a page in Coda, which is a simple but powerful way to keep your documents organized and easy to navigate. By using short, descriptive titles and staying consistent, you'll make your documents more readable for yourself and your team. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider saving this video or bookmarking the steps so you can come back to them whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.